As you know, cookies are the small files created by websites, which store data when a user navigates the web. These cookies are numerous and valuable, and help improve the navigation experience for all of us. Imagine Leah walking around town, where all the shopkeepers recognize her and say hello, and where she'd probably like most things around her. Where bugs are better detected, and everything's just easier. Up until now, most websites collected such information without telling users. Since 2011, an EU directive has forced websites to better protect users like Leah by requiring their permission to remember them even before collecting their data about their visit in order to offer them an enhanced navigational experience. But the law goes even further. Every website must now give Leah the means of controlling the information she shares with the sites she visits via cookies. And I know what you're thinking. Do we really have to comply with this law?
Well, yeah, it's a law, and laws have got to be obeyed, cowboy.
At 55, we take the issue of personal data protection very seriously, which is why we've worked on creating an innovative cookie consent solution, in compliance with the latest recommendations from the different European authorities set up to uphold information rights, such as the ICO in the UK. Because we believe that internet users are increasingly aware of these issues and will willingly trust websites which are transparent with them. So cookie consent by 55 is the solution to enable websites to come into compliance, whilst maximising the proportion of opted-in visitors. It doesn't just let the internet users know what cookies are and what they're used for, it also lets users disable certain cookie families whilst keeping others. Have a look. It's really easy. Leah wants to buy herself this awesome pair of trainers, so she goes onto this website to order them. As you can see, our solution is pretty discreet. We adapt it to the graphic environment of each of your websites. Here, Leah can find out about cookies required in order, for example, to memorize a product added to the basket. These are the only cookies which can't be disabled, but at least Leah knows that the data will only be used to help her complete her purchase. By clicking here, Leah can allow or disable the Web Analytics cookies, which provide an anonymous stats on-site traffic and help spot a bug or faulty functionality, for example. Just underneath, Leah can also choose whether or not to activate advertising cookies, which offer her targeted advertising or exclusive offers. And if Leah isn't feeling very chatty, she can disable sharing functions by blocking social cookies. Cookie consent by 55 isn't only easy to use for Leah, it's also the easiest cookie managing solution to set up for your organization. Completely customizable, both in its technical settings and in its banner design, we customize it to fit your needs and create the cookie families you want. Once we activate cookie consent in your tag management system, all you need to do is sort out the tags which create cookies and assign them to the right families. Then the cookies are ready to be created depending on each user's choices. We will also grant you access to a monitoring interface, which will enable you to see the kind of data which your users are prepared to share or not. Not bad, eh? Everything's made simpler and easier for your organization. And take it from us, Leah will also feel reassured, listened to, and comfortable on your website.